interrupted this program to bring you breaking news coverage. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. Please listen carefully. Later in April, a severe thunderstorm warning will be ruining Berkshire County, Hampshire County, Franklin County, Hampden County, and Worcester County. It could cause a power outage and also ruin your home if not protected. Bring important stuff and go to the basement and barricade and lock and board the door and windows. This is not a test nor drill.
Night in jail and Piggy Boo? Night in jail and Piggy Boo got an idea. Can we please watch Hannah?